In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products with Gumroad. So the first thing I'm doing here is going to gumroad.com and logging into my account. Once I'm inside the dashboard, I'm heading over to the product section because that's where I can start creating the item I want to sell. From there, I'm clicking new product, and that opens up the setup so I can build the product from scratch. Now I'm entering the product's name, and this is just the title people are going to see on the listing. Right after that, I'm choosing digital product because I'm selling something people will get digitally instead of a physical item. Once that part is set, I'm moving down to the price field and entering the amount I want to charge. I'm just making sure that looks right, and then I'm clicking next to move forward. At this point, I'm in the area where I can set the product details. So now I'm working through that part and filling in the information for the product page. This is where the listing starts to take shape, and I'm just making sure the details are in place before I upload the actual file. Once that's done, I'm going over to the content tab because this is where the digital file itself gets added. Now I'm inside content and I'm clicking upload files. That opens the file picker from my computer. So I'm finding the file I want to sell, selecting it, and then clicking open. Gumroad starts uploading it, and I'm just waiting for that to finish. Once the file shows up, I can make a couple of quick adjustments here if I need to. I can rename the file so it looks cleaner or makes more sense, and I can also add a description. That part helps keep things organized and gives a little more clarity around what the buyer is getting. Now I'm just taking a quick look over everything before making it live. I've logged into Gumroad, gone to products, clicked new product, entered the product name, chosen digital product, set the price, clicked next, filled in the product details, gone into the content tab, uploaded the file and updated the file name or description if needed. Once all of that looks good, the last thing I'm doing is clicking publish. And that's really the full process. You go to gumroad.com, log in, create a new product, choose digital product, set the name and price, fill in the product details, upload your file in the content tab, make any small edits you want, and then click publish. Once that's done, your digital product is live on Gumroad and ready to sell.